So basically what sir you are saying? So efficiency is what? Q1 by Q1 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Very very important. Very very important. Clear? Clear? Up to here. Anyone having any doubt? Ask me. Ask me. Ask me. Okay, sir. So what we are saying? Can I also say, okay, if assuming the engine is Carnot. So for Carnot engine, this temperature is T1. This temperature is T1. This is अपन का Carnot engine और यहाँ से अपन को मिला work, okay, and यहाँ पर अपन को मिला temperature T2. T1 temperature T2. हाँ, कंडीशन ये है कि टेम्परेचर अपन किस में यूज करें? केल्विन में. दिस इज कंपल्सरी. दिस इज कंपल्सरी. Clear? Clear? Okay. So what can I say for Carnot engine? For Carnot engine, efficiency is 1 minus T2 by T1. Clear? For Carnot engine efficiency is 1 minus T2 by T1 considering temperature in Kelvin. Clear? So now what I say, from this and this, can I say Q2 by Q1 equals to T2 by T1? Can I say Q2 by Q1 equals to T2 by T1? Clear? For Carnot engine, okay. So for Carnot engine, can I say? Tell me, everyone. Clear? Clear? So from here also we can say efficiency is basically what, sir? This is what T1 minus T2 divided by T1. So what is T1 minus T2? So temperature difference between source and sink. Temperature difference between source and sink. So this is delta T, temperature difference between source and sink divided by temperature of source. Clear? बताओ. Clear है? क्लियर. यहाँ तक किसी बच्चों को किसी भी तरह का डाउट है तो टेल मी. क्लियर? अप टू हियर. ओके, यहाँ तक किसी बच्चों को किसी भी तरह की डाउट है तो बताओ. इंट्रोपी क्या होता है? इंट्रोपी इज ओके मेजर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस. ओके, मेजर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस. ओके. So sir, can we measure exactly entropy? No, we can't measure exactly entropy. So then what to do, sir? We will measure change in entropy. Okay. So how to measure change in entropy, sir? So in particular situation, there was some situation, some randomness, degree of randomness, not only randomness, the degree of randomness. In some situation, other degree of randomness. So there are difference. So within a process A to B, we can easily calculate. So what amount of entropy is changed? What amount of entropy is changed? We cannot see what was the entropy in situation 1, but we can say after going from situation 1 to situation 2, this amount of entropy is changed. बात समझ में आता है? So okay sir. So basically what is entropy, sir? Measure of degree of randomness. Okay. So measure of degree of randomness. So sir, give one example. So if I say sir, okay, ice. If I say ice, so entropy is right now whatever is the entropy as of now, if it convert into liquid, so can I say entropy increase? Can I say entropy will increase? Can I say entropy will increase? Yes. So sir, basically what is happening, sir? Basically what is happening during phase change? Remember what I am saying, during phase change. Okay, entropy changes. Entropy changes. So sir, we know during phase change temperature is constant. During phase change temperature is constant. Clear? During phase change temperature is constant, but even during phase change we are giving some heat. Okay, some heat is required. Okay, some heat is required. Some heat is required. Clear? So what I am saying, some heat is required. Okay, yes or no? So some heat is required to to change the entropy. Okay, by giving some temperature. Okay, some temperature, on somewhat temperature is constant now. Clear? Temperature is constant. Okay, so sir, what is entropy? So what is entropy? So basic definition. So entropy is, my student, my child, entropy is heat divided by temperature. Acha, acha, sir, this is normal thing, simplest definition. Okay, if I don't know anything, so entropy, acha, heat by temperature. Okay, no problem. But sir, if we write in advanced form, so entropy is S equals to, can I say Q by T, or can I say sir D S equals to sir D of Q D. So I'm writing a small q now. Okay, D of Q by T. Can I say? समझ में समझ में आ रहा 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 है. अच्छा, so sir, if I want to calculate entropy from process A to B, if I want to calculate entropy for process A to B, so can I say entropy from process A to B? So this is what, okay, integration of dq by t A to B. Okay, tell me. Erase, can I erase? I hope you understood the thing what I am saying. So from here, can I say change in entropy delta S equals to from A to B? Suppose, so this is what cube dq by T of integration. Very important. Yeah. So I hope you understood all the concept whatever I taught. Okay, so I already did all the required derivation earlier, so you can go through that. Okay, if you want derivation, otherwise not needed at all. If you understand all this concept, you can solve all this question using this. Okay, all the questions of JEE, Mains and NEET examination, you can solve it using all these concepts. Okay, and you can try JEE advanced question as well. Okay, so if it is useful, तो आप support कीजिए. Thank you.